Come test drive this 2016 Kia Forte. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, traction control, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Kia's comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 150-point inspection. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.